Hello, everyone. I apologize if you're here. That means you have something going on in terms of copyright infringement, leak, things of that nature. And I just want you to know that, hey, that's okay, and there's ways to solve that, and this is more or less how we're going to do it. If you've seen any of my videos before, it's essentially the exact same thing. But as always, if you need a step-by-step guide, feel free to watch the whole thing, like, subscribe. Who knows, eventually I might start making money doing this and can just do this full time. Anyways, today we're going to talk about Picazor. I assume that's how you pronounce the site. I've had a couple of different people um, find out that they have leaks on here, so I figured I'd make a tutorial. Um, Same thing. It's That's really it. But if you've never done this before and you've never seen any of my videos, this is how you would do it. To start, you would click on this DMCA button right here. It should automatically open up your email clients, whether you use Outlook or it opens it up in the browser or whatever. It should. Otherwise, I'll have the email in the description of this video. Um, Once you are at your email, what you'll end up doing is you can just copy and paste the script that will also be in the description of this video. I'll actually pull it on screen here for you guys. Let me do this. Not for Master Fab, that was my last video. We're gonna do hello Picazor. Okay. Basically, you're just gonna say, my name is whatever your content creator name is. Please don't use your legal name. And you're working on a case where pornographic videos of yourself have been released without your consent. Some of them have been released on your website. I was curious about the option about getting them removed. I'm happy to do everything within my power to get the images and or videos. I'll probably update this to say videos too. Should probably do that. And then there's the two legal statements here. I hereby state that I have a good faith belief that the dispute use of the copyright material is not authorized by the copyright owner, its agent, or the law. You're the copyright owner, so you would know. And then I hereby state that the information in this notice is accurate and under penalty of perjury. Perjury? I'm not an English major. That I am the owner or authorized to act on behalf of the owner of the copyrights or of the exclusive writer, excuse me, under the copyright that it's allegedly infringed. Those are your legal statements. That's basically just saying, yeah, under court of law, I will testify that this is my material and that you stole it. Thank you for your time. I hope to hear from you soon with the options. Signed, again, your sex work name. Insert links here. These are going to be the links to the individual images. So on a very few select amount of websites, you can put the link to like the search page. So that's like your profile that has all your leaks on it. I know you know what you're talking about. You're probably looking at it on your screen right now. This is going to be the links to every single individual image. So you would have to like right click, select copy image link, and then paste it here. You have to do that for each individual image. That sucks ass sometimes, to be perfectly honest with you. I probably shouldn't cuss in these videos. That's alright, whatever. I'm not making any money. It's terrible because sometimes there's like 3,000 pictures. You have to get 3,000 images, or 3,000 links, and it's like, bro, why do we do this? This is terrible. Excuse me again. I am very sleep deprived, but that's more or less how you do it. I will again post all this in the description below, so you can just copy and paste it and what have you. But that's it. If y'all have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to reach out on my socials. I know if you are under the age of 18, please, for the love of God, reach out to me on my Instagram or my Facebook. Do not go to my fucking Twitter. I need to stop cussing in these videos. It's alright. I'm not getting paid. I'm not getting paid. It's fine. Um, regardless, feel free to reach out. I'll do my best to assist. Um, and then I believe that's it. So if y'all haven't already, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Share with your friends. Who knows? I might actually start making money doing this one day. And who knows? I might change the world or something. Rewrite international law. That would be super beneficial for my mental health. But as always, hope you'll have a wonderful day, and hopefully you don't have to come back to my channel. That'd be preferable. But I mean, if y'all wanted to just support me and just like watch all my stuff on loop, that would be cool too. Anyways, hope y'all have a good day.